GoPro Hero 12 vs Insta360 X3. Embarking on new adventures, every content creator faces a pivotal decision. Which action camera truly captures the essence of their journey? Today we're pitting two titans against each other, the GoPro Hero 12 and the Insta360 X3, to uncover which one best fits your travel vlogging style. Imagine our adventurous explorer, poised on a breathtaking mountain ridge, camera in hand, symbolizing the crossroads of choice. Both cameras promise incredible footage, but their paths to storytelling diverge significantly, impacting how you craft your narrative. Let's decode their tech English and see which one becomes your ultimate travel companion. First, let's look at the GoPro Hero 12. This camera is a master of traditional, crisp 16:9 footage, much like a seasoned cartographer meticulously mapping a known trail. Its hyper-smooth stabilization ensures your point-of-view shots are incredibly fluid, turning even the most jarring bike ride into a buttery smooth visual experience. Our explorer, scaling a rock face, relies on this steadfast performance to deliver viewers a clear, unshaken perspective of their ascent. It's the dependable workhorse for classic vlogs, offering straightforward operation and robust performance in extreme conditions, a true icon in its field. Then we have the Insta360 X3, a revolutionary device that acts like a personal, invisible film crew, capturing everything around our explorer in a full 360-degree sphere. Imagine our explorer navigating a bustling marketplace. The X3 allows them to literally reframe their shot in post-production, choosing any angle they desire, long after the moment has passed. This flexibility is akin to holding all the narrative cards, enabling dynamic camera movements and immersive experiences that a traditional camera simply cannot replicate. It's an expansive canvas for creative storytelling, inviting viewers into the very heart of the action with unparalleled immersion. When comparing stabilization, both cameras are champions, but they achieve it differently. The GoPro's hypersmooth is like a steady hand guiding the lens, anticipating bumps and smoothing them out in real time, perfect for capturing direct action with incredible stability. Conversely, the Insta360 X3's flow state stabilization works magic on its 360 footage, almost as if the camera is floating, allowing for dynamic camera movements without a single shake. Our explorer, cycling down a rocky trail, finds both systems invaluable, but the choice boils down to whether you prefer a locked-on perspective or the freedom to reframe after the fact, each offering a unique visual journey. The real game-changer with the Insta360 X3 is its 360-degree capture, offering a shoot-first, frame-later approach. This means our explorer can film everything happening around them, like painting on an infinite canvas, and then decide exactly what to show the audience in post-production. It's a superpower for content creators, allowing for epic, tiny planet effects or seamless follow shots that would otherwise require multiple cameras and complex rigs. The GoPro Hero 12, while offering incredible wide-angle options, still operates within a fixed field of view, making it more akin to a precise sculptor working within defined parameters. The choice shapes your creative freedom profoundly. When the sun dips below the horizon, or when capturing the subtle whispers of a natural soundscape, low-light performance and audio quality become paramount. Our adventurous explorer often finds themselves in dimly lit ancient ruins or quiet wilderness, where these features make all the difference. While both cameras have improved significantly, the GoPro Hero 12 generally offers a slight edge in traditional low-light video clarity, and its robust audio processing for direct vlogging. The Insta360 X3, though excelling in creative angles, sometimes faces challenges in very dark environments and its 360 audio capture, requiring careful post-production. It's about capturing the moment's true atmosphere. So who wins this tech duel? The answer, much like choosing the right tool for an expedition, isn't about a single victor, but about your specific content creation goals. If you're a purist, valuing straightforward, high-quality traditional video for dynamic first-person vlogs, the GoPro Hero 12 is your unwavering compass, guiding you with precision. If you aspire to boundless creativity, desire the ability to refactor your shots, and want to immerse your audience in a world without boundaries, then the Insta360 X3 is your magic carpet, transporting viewers everywhere. Our Explorer now sees both cameras as specialized instruments, not rivals. Ultimately, making the right choice hinges on understanding your own storytelling ambition. Do you want to be a director of a traditional narrative, or an architect of immersive worlds? For simplicity, robust action shots, and established workflows, the GoPro Hero 12 shines brightly, a reliable beacon. However, if creative freedom, unique perspectives, and the thrill of post-production reframing ignite your passion, then the Insta360 X3 offers an unparalleled playground. Our Explorer, reviewing footage, realizes that each camera empowers a different facet of their creative spirit, making the best choice deeply personal and perfectly tailored to their vision. Beyond the hardware, leveling up your tech English is equally crucial for any content creator. Understanding terms like hypersmooth, flow state, reframing, and bitrate isn't just about jargon. It's about unlocking the full potential of your gear and communicating your creative vision effectively. This knowledge acts as a powerful lens, allowing our adventurous explorer to clearly see the nuances between devices and articulate their needs confidently. Mastering this vocabulary transforms you from a casual user into an informed expert, ensuring you make intelligent decisions that propel your content quality forward. It's an investment in your craft, expanding your creative toolkit. No matter which camera you choose, the true adventure lies in the stories you tell and the English you use to tell them. We hope this comparison has not only clarified the capabilities of the GoPro Hero 12 and Insta360 X3, but also enhanced your tech English vocabulary for content creation. For more travel tech insights, practical tips, and exciting outdoor learning, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Join our community of explorers and content creators as we journey together, continually learning and leveling up our skills, one epic shot and one precise word at a time. The world awaits your unique perspective.